Hello everyone and welcome back to the ELECTRO-MASTER channel. Today I have an 18-channel CCTV power supply on the workbench. After a few measurements, I found a short circuit on the secondary side. In this video, we'll troubleshoot the fault and repair the power supply step by step. If you enjoy electronics repair videos, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. I removed the secondary side diodes so I can isolate the circuit and identify which component is defective one by one. I found the problem. It is a dual ultrafast diode and it is shorted. I will replace it with a new one and test to see the result. As you can see, the power supply is now fully functional. I measured all the capacitors and they are within normal parameters. After replacing the faulty dual ultrafast diode, everything is back to normal operation. This concludes the repair. Thank you for watching the ELECTRO-MASTER channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more electronics repairs and troubleshooting cases. See you in the next one.